Hello, and thank you for taking the opportunity to learn more about the exciting new Salesforce and Cisco integrated solution. With the Winter 07 release of Salesforce.com, there will be a fully integrated soft phone. This, coupled with an adapter from Cisco, will allow Salesforce.com to integrate directly with Cisco's leading call center platforms. Now let's take a look at how this solution can be leveraged by both your sales and services organizations. So, in an inbound calling situation, the first thing a user would want to do is to note that they're ready to take calls. This will send a message to the Cisco call center platform that any inbound call can now be routed to this rep's desktop. Now, when a call comes in, the contact record that shares that corresponding inbound phone number gets popped. And what the rep does is answers that phone call. So this is essentially doing the same thing as picking up the headset on your Cisco phone. You can see here there's some other tools that this integrated soft phone allows. Again, just simplifying the interaction between your rep and their Cisco phone. So of course they can end the call when the time comes. They can also put this caller on hold and retrieve the caller from hold. They can very easily transfer this caller. So either by looking to transfer them to another user within Salesforce, or just by clicking on the number directly. Similarly, you can conference in a third party if that's what's desired to address this call from Lauren. And you can see here we also have an auto save. So as this call ends, a task will get recorded with the notes from this specific call. So we can see here though that the inbound call is coming from Lauren Boyle, and again taking advantage of another new feature with Winter 07, our mouse overs, we can see all of the different interactions we have with Lauren, and we can see she's calling in about this specific case. And when I click on that case, also note with our autosave that it's now going to be tied to that specific case as well as our contact, Lauren Boyle. So we want to enter what we learn in our conversation with Lauren, and as you can see here, taking a look at the related activities, as soon as we end this call and scroll down, we immediately have a log for that call that we just took. And if I want, I can click into the details of that call, see all of the notes that I've entered, and in particular the duration in seconds of that call. Additionally, there's a call object identifier. This, if desired, can be used to link the call in Salesforce with the call from the Cisco call center. Now let's take a look at how this the same solution can be leveraged in an outbound calling situation. So if I go back to my Home tab, I can see here on my to-do list I have a to-do to make an outbound call to Kyle Pearson. If I click on Kyle's contact record, I can see now that his phone number is a hyperlink. And in order to initiate an outbound call, all I need to do is click on it. And again, through the integration with the Cisco call center, that call's now been initiated. We now have Kyle on the phone. We can, of course, take advantage of those same capabilities that we saw in our conversation with Lauren. Ultimately, have the ability to capture any notes as a result of that, and ultimately save those notes as soon as we end that call with Kyle. So hopefully you've seen how powerful and easy to use system can greatly improve your efficiency and effectiveness in both an inbound and outbound calling scenario. Thank you again for your time.